Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Selin. If you're new to my channel, you're most definitely welcome, and if you have not subscribed, please go ahead, hit the subscribe button down below, and also hit the notification bell, so with that you'll be notified when I have a new video on my channel. With that being said, thank you. Hey girls, hey baby girls, hey boos, hey baby girls, how you guys doing? Your baby girl, she's back with another look. Okay guys, just take a moment to appreciate this look. I'm super obsessed with this look, like serious guys. I miss chatting, I miss ranting, you know, those just the way we used to do it. We are going to be doing it today. Okay, so guys, today I'm coming at you with this kind of dark makeup look. I don't really have a specific name to call it, reason being I'm inspired by my blondie wig right here, so I decided just to make the look a little bit smoky and dark, not too bright like my is going to be too much, and that's not my vibe. You guys don't really see me, you have not really seen me with something super bright like this, except my ombre streets hair. I just want to try something different. It's not my vibe, okay? I just want to try something different, don't get me wrong, but still I'm loving the vibe. Okay. I'm loving the vibe. No harm in trying, okay? If you don't like it, just let it lie low. Don't get life twisted for yourself. Life is too beautiful, darlings. Thank you. To achieve this eye look, I decided to grab one of my OG, one of my favorite back. When I mean back, years back. So it's the Urban Decay Vice 4 palette. So yeah, and the look I was going for, I have it in mind that this palette is going to give me that look, in which I'm happy the way it turned out to, as you can see. Yeah, and I decided to go for nude lip. What more do you ask when you have this kind of wig? Same time, look put together and look classic. You get me? You get me? You know how mama taught you. Look put together. Anyway guys, if you're interested, you want to see how I achieve this eye and lip makeup look-ish tutorial, you already know what to do. Just stick around and enjoy. And please let me know in the comment section below what you think, if it was all helpful, beautiful. Anyways, enough of the talking. You should do the typing and I should do the replying. Okay, thank you. As I always say, don't forget to do what makes you happy, stay pretty and stay blessed, and I'm going to see you all in my next video. Before I talk too much, take care, love, ciao. Baby girls, how are you guys doing? Anyway guys, I'm just going to go straight ahead and jump into this eye tutorial. Okay, so today guys, I'm going to be using two eyeshadow primer. First, I'm going to be taking the Urban Decay. Both of them are from Urban Decay. All right, so this one is the original, this one is a bit dry and is a transparent, it has no shade at all, and this one has more coverage. So I'm just going to apply this. Reason being, my eye is bringing a lot of water at the moment, so with this it's going to keep it in. Ahead and apply this on my lid. A little bit goes a long way, okay? That I'm going to be taking this no-name brush, my regular concealer blender brush, just going to blend that all over my eye. And as you can see, this one has more coverage. I'm going to be taking this shade, my transition color, I'm going to be taking Binta, this one right here. I'm taking this Juvia's Place. No, I'm going to be using another brush. I'm taking this no-name brush. I'm going to be taking the shade called Binta. That is going to be my transition color. Apply it from my outer corner to my crease, like so. In the same time, I'm just blending because this blush, calm down, because this brush is a fluffy brush. So yeah, with a circular motion, blend it towards my inner corner area very softly, as you can see me doing. I'm taking this Juvia's Place brush, okay, Precision in G117, Precision, what a name. Anyways, I'm going to dip it in my crease more for more dimension. I'm going to be taking this shade called Detail, this one right here. This is a super dull brownish eyeshadow-ish pigment, so I'm just going to apply that excuse me, on my crease, and then later blend it to my inner corner area, but very softly, so you don't mess your inner corner area. Your inner corner is supposed to be popping, supposed to be dropping. brush, when I use this bigger one, it's going to be all over the place, which is the darker shade. It's going to be all over the place. So with this, you can control and minimize the quantity you apply on your outer corner, if that makes sense. Thank you. Once again, called Binta. I'm just going to apply that exactly on my, between my brow bone and my crease, because I want to see more dimension towards. So yeah, we have a little bit of dimension going on. Okay, it can glow within, you know, it can glow within. You don't have to tell the definition of the crease color. You just have to see it popping out very tiny bit, a tiny bit. Taking this peachy shade right here, I'm just going to apply that on my brow bone. So yeah, taking once again my brush, I'm just going to blend everything together. Today I'm going to give you a little bit of tip and secrets if you want your eyeshadow to pop without you applying extra glitter or bling bling. Head with your NYX glitter glue, apply a little bit at the back of your hand, or just a little bit, and then go ahead and massage it with your concealer synthetic brush. Go ahead and apply that on your lid, the place you want the eyeshadow to be. See how it's going to elevate the look right away, because sometimes when you just apply eyeshadow, it's not popping out the way you want it to pop. So with this technique, you can bring your eyeshadow to another level. Underhand, this color right here, I'm just going to apply that all over my eyelid. Has a little bit of shimmer to it. That is the reason why I'm applying the glitter glue. If it is a matte shade, don't do that, okay? Always use it for a shimmer shade like this, something like this, like this, like this. Never use a matte, never apply it with the matte shade, if that makes sense. Smaller brush without nothing on the brush, I'm just going to blend out the edges for any harsh line. As for more depth, for more definition, I'm going to be taking this shade right here called Ruby Berry corner. Yeah, you see what I mean? Anyways, girl, calm down please. So with this, as you can see, you can tell the difference, honey. You can tell the difference, okay? So I'm just going to apply that on the other side so we can look like a twin. We ain't no twin, okay? We are just relative, right? So I love this shade, guys. I love this shade. I think I'm going to be creating an entire look with this shade right here, the one I just apply on my inner. I'm going to be taking the Maybelline Eyestudio gel liner, taking the shade called it's called Detail. I'm just going to apply that on my bottom eye. To line my eye, guys, I'm going to be taking the Loreal Black Lacquer Super Liner. Whoa, that is going to be bold. I'm going to be taking the Benefit Roller Lash Mascara. I'm going to be taking this shading Champagne. The name is ridiculous. Shady Champagne lashes, and this one is a 99 Ash tag. Okay, this is how it looks like. So super luxury. So for lip, I'm going to be taking this MAC lip liner, and this one is in Enchanted one. Guys, I know, don't come for me when you see Judith Williams. Tell her how upset I am about this lip gloss, okay? critic will say all day, let me know in the comment section below. I'll be glad to do that for you guys. You guys should make a request, okay? Make a request. If you want to know something, let me know. Mama is here for you to teach you what you don't know, and I receive back what I don't know. Thank you. Excuse that rant, okay?